Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I got another shipment in from Fat Quarter Shop. I've been waiting for this one. I'm going to try something new and I can't wait to share it with you. And I'm hoping you guys can help me decide. Don't tell Walter though, because I think he wants to be the deciding factor and I'm not sure I'm going to let him. We'll see. So if you're new to the channel, Walter is my youngest. He is 5 and he is very, very into dinosaurs. And I just finished his quilt. Well, I finished the top of his quilt. And I made him a quilt out of Tula Pink's Roar in combination with her Besties line. And he is super excited because that kid loves some animals and some dinosaurs. But I decided to go with something a little different on the back. And I've done flannel backings. I've done regular backings. This is going to be a Minky backing. And this is going to be the first time I do it on my long arm over there. And I'm hoping that it doesn't go sideways on me, because I know Minky really likes to stretch. I've definitely quilted on this guy, on this one with Minky for my number 3 child, but I haven't done it on the long arm yet, so this could be interesting. So anyways, I digress. I bought 2 backings because I wasn't sure on color and I figure I'll probably use it on a different project. Well, that's interesting. I guess maybe I bought 2 of the same backings. Let's see what I did here. They're just that close in color. Wow. One's like a little bit greener and one's a little bit more turquoise. I'm gonna have to get you guys a close up. I thought I got, let's see, what did I even order? I ordered one called Mallard, which was my favorite. And I ordered one called Spruce, which was his favorite. And I really thought that they were going to be quite different, but they look like, I don't even know which one was the one I picked and which one was the one he picked from looking at them. Look at that. Yeah, you can see how different they are on camera. They look more different on camera than they do in person. That is too funny. Too funny. Okay, let's see what I did. So this is the quilt that I made for him. And I'm going to be releasing this pattern probably later in August. It's going to be a free pattern on my website. I'm having some technical issues, converting from the quilt shop quilter to putting it online so that I can share it with you guys. But I'll get there. I will. Okay, so this is option number 1 as the backing, and this is going to be option number 2. And I'm going to open them. I'm kind of scared though, because I know Minky like explodes all over the craft room, but we're gonna do it anyways. Oh gosh, I can see it in here, like I can see it all over. Not too bad, just this one. I'm sure Fat Quarter Shop takes care of us, but yeah, they've got it like taped shut. They didn't want it to go anywhere either, you guys. Okay, all right, we're just gonna rip off the band-aid here. So one's a little bit more teal and one's a little bit more green. And I don't think he's going to like either one of them because that kid likes blue. But I was trying to come up with something kind of in the middle here that would look good. I don't know, guys. So I'm going to have to look back. I think, you guys, it doesn't say. I feel like the spruce is probably going to be this more foresty, natural brown kind of pull. I mean, it's so slight. It's so slight. This one is a little bit more blue, blue-green. But I'll look back on the website and I'll take a look. I'll put the picture. That's what I'll do. I'll pull the pictures from Fat Quarter Shop and upload them. But you can see them here with the quilt and tell me what you think. I think that this one matches this pattern like perfectly. Oh, you can't see it. Urgh. Okay. I'm gonna have to get another camera angle. Yeah, I'll come in with the overhead, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay. So the other thing I grabbed in this, because I knew I was ordering, is this Oceans Moda Mix Fat Quarter Bundle. Isn't that pretty? I just think that that is so, so pretty. It's got teals and greens and blues. So yeah, I don't even know what I'm going to use this for. I'm going to use it for something though. It's going to be really pretty. It's going to be really pretty. Okay, so here is a more close-up view. I cannot believe how blue this one looks on camera. It does not look blue at all in person. It is wildly different. And since there's no markings other than a fat quarter shop sticker, I'm just going to pull both of these out of the bag. So this is his quilt. And I've got, you know, I've got the, oh my gosh, it's already shedding all over the place. I've got the pinks. I've got the teals that I'm trying to match. This is the teal that I think I keep calling it teal. I think the mallard probably matches that better. But I also have like all of these wild kitty cat greens and blues. I mean, I think either of them would probably be perfect. So this is the one that I'm calling more of the spruce. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's getting stuff everywhere. Okay. And then here's the other one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the filming off and I'm going to just try to shoot it with the camera so you can see the difference. Yeah, it's just not showing up on the camera at all. Okay. Hey, Walter, come here, bud. Can you tell me which one's your favorite? Come here.
Which one?
Yeah, it's going to be for your blanket. This is your blanket. Which one's your favorite? This one or this one?
I like both.
You like both? I like both too. You don't like one better than the other?
I like them both.
You like them both because they're soft?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the color blue.
They are the color blue. They are. I think I like them both too. I think I might like this one a little bit better. Is that okay if I make this as the back?
Hey, I like...
We'll have to make a new blanket for that one because I don't have enough blanket for that. Oh my gosh, they're shedding everywhere, you guys.
Okay, fine.
Okay, wait, you said you liked them both. Are you disappointed?
I'm disappointed that you didn't want to give both.
You want both on the back? That's going to make a really heavy blanket.
I mean a half of...
Okay. Well, let's see. All right. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for giving me your opinion. Okay, guys, I'm going to try this handheld. I know it's super shaky, and I'm so sorry. But here's what I'm trying to match. I've got these teals, and I'm trying to pull that together. And I think this one is just, it's like a little bit more, I mean, spruce, right? That's more browny green, and mallard is more bluish green. But I probably couldn't go wrong with either one of them. But like that tying here into those teals, I just think this one's a little bit closer. And he really wanted blue. So we're trying to kind of keep it in that cooler family. So now onto the fat quarter bundle. Again, this is the Oceans Moda Mix fat quarter bundle. And it just has some great blues and greens and almost like chartreuse. And I am super excited about that. You guys, look at how pretty that is. You get so much variety in all of these fat quarter bundles. So I think this was probably a deal of the day. Honestly, I'm embarrassed to say I do not remember. But we've got these great polka dots. Oh, that's really cute. So that's set on the diagonal. And then another set of dots. And then we've got some blues here. A little bit of like a kind of foliage feel. And some fun teal. That's almost like a gold. I think that is a gold or yellow. Oh, and I like that a lot. It's the geometric pattern there is really subtle. I like it. It's very subtle, very subtle. And then another great pattern there, little cross hatches and some florals. That's fun. It almost is reminiscent of like a tree, but not quite. That's fun. Now these are getting a little bit bright, weird green. And so if I don't use it as part of this bundle, I think oh, that's fun. Look at the vegetables. Those are fun. Okay. I need a new fat quarter quilt from this bundle. Story of my life, right? Those are really cute. All right, so I will get these ironed out so that I can get you guys some better pictures, because I know sometimes it's hard to see when there's wrinkles in the fabrics. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video with me. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed looking at these unboxing videos. I like to see what other people are doing and what they're getting. Help me decide if I'm going to go with mallard or if I'm going to go with the spruce. Again, I will have those uploaded. Maybe I'll make a poll over on the community tab and see what you guys think. I think either one would look really great, and I can't wait to hear what you've got going on in your sewing room. So until then, guys, I will see you next time.